What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do, where are the keys? I'm gonna do an oil change on the car. It's long due, but it's been very cold in New York. I don't trust like places like Jiffy Lube and whatnot. A second here. Set the heater for a second. I don't trust places like Jiffy Lube and Quick Lube and places like that, so I do my own oil changes. But when it's a little cold outside, it's a bit difficult to get that done. So we're gonna do that today. And also, I don't know, bullshit. Yeah. But we'll figure out what we're gonna talk about or do if I can get this filter out and whatever. All right. Okay, so first let's jack up the car. I'll put the camera here. So, okay, you guys can't even see me. All right, so the oil that I use is a Castrol High Mileage Edge. It's full synthetic. The reason I use that is because high mileage, I have about 169,000 right now in this vehicle, and it has all those protective things and whatnot. It feels good. My SUV, my MDX, I don't know about yours, but mine does burn off a little bit of oil. It does run rich. I don't want to say tune it, but in a way I have to get it tuned, something like that. I gotta change out the spark plugs. I'm probably also gonna change out the injectors and things like that because you know, she's up there in mileage and things, and she needs to be a little healthier in the engine. But I'm going to put this time about 7 quarts. Normally I would put 6 quarts, but because she burns oil, I'm gonna put an extra quart, which shouldn't do any damage at all, and it should be fine. You can get a funnel. This is a decent sized funnel, but you could also get something bigger because of the angle and the height that's there. It may be a little challenging. I've done it before, so I feel very comfortable using this, but if you haven't done ever an MDX oil change, then you might want to just get a bigger funnel. Also, you can't see it, but if I rip it out, it's a Honda oil filter. If I can't get these, I'll probably use a Fram. I know Fram is not the best one, or a K&N. You know, those aren't really the best ones to use. For Honda engines, you always want to use the Honda filter because they're just designed for it, and they have all the stuff that protects the engine and whatnot. Normally I would have a bunch of those, and I would just do that for all of my cars because I usually do buy Hondas. But in this case, I needed an oil filter for the last one. They were sold out, and obviously because of COVID, things like that, and I just got a filter from Pep Boys that would work for me. All right, so we're gonna exchange that now. Oil. They didn't have quarts. I went to Walmart to pick these up, and they didn't have quarts. I had to get these 5-gallon ones. Trucks. All right, so the oil's a little warm right now, so it should flow out nice and easy. I'm gonna take off the cap. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I see those cap things. So if you can see right there, this is where it's at. Look at my hand. Look at my height. Okay, you see? It's kind of difficult. There, I already loosened it, so yeah. This thing is filthy, man. Look at that. I seriously gotta clean this car because this thing is filthy as hell. All right. Yeah, she got a little bit of carbon buildup, but that's it. You know, no water mixing in, so that's obviously a blessing, right? It's always a good thing. All right. Let me see if I can angle the camera, and I will put you guys underneath there with me. So, all right. I may have messed up. This jack is in the way. The thing is right here. The oil pan screw is literally right here. But it's not going to. This is gonna get in the way. So we're gonna have to move this and then get that thing on. That's right, last time I did put a Honda oil filter. I'll show you guys. Out of the way a little bit. Now we're gonna take our 17, open in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright. You always want to put these at an angle where you're gonna catch it, because there we go. By the way, these are probably not the right gloves to wear, because these will see through and you'll get oil in your gloves and hands. But as you can see, my oil is black. It needs to be changed. The Honda oil filter is right up here, which I'm probably gonna have to move this again. Alright, let's go clean this off, and I'll be right back. Just watch the oil, the nice oil dripping away. While we're here, let's get this oil filter off though. So, you don't have to put a lot of pressure on and crush it, but you just need enough to grip it and loosen it. And when you start, oh, hold on, I don't want to go too far because we got that. Just gonna put that right there. It's on the edge, cool. When you start to loosen these, oil is gonna fall out. So just let the oil drain out, and then you can go ahead and remove it, because if not, you're gonna get a splash of oil down here, and you're gonna make a mess. Especially if you care about your driveway, you're definitely gonna make a mess. So, and you're also gonna need a towel to wipe all this up, because oil's gonna get on this what is this? It doesn't even look like a freaking cradle, it just looks like a freaking bar. Alright, so whatever, just bring a towel, you're gonna make a mess up here, around here. Alright, so look at that. Oh shit, there we go. Honda oil filter. Gotta break off the plastic. Alright. Ah, shit. Alright, screw it. Look, I wouldn't recommend this, and I wouldn't do this normally, but I don't have oil here, nice new oil, to help out with the sealing cartridge. Put this back in, and close this off. Just hand tight that for now to stop the leak. Okay. The only towel I can find, a big ass towel. Alright. I would never recommend this, but being that I don't, the oil is over there, and that means I have to get back up. Alright, just take, shit man. Just take some oil, seal it. Create like a little seal. There's a seal on there already, but just want to create a little seal. Okay. This thing is getting dirty. Okay, whatever. Alright. And you just put it back in and hand tight. Honda oil filter. Put that back in there. Funnel. Why? You will make a mess here. Alright? You're not gonna, you may not be skilled enough to do one of these and get it all in there. So a funnel is definitely going to make sure this is good. All right, make sure you don't make as much of a mess. Make sure your funnel's clean, okay? So remove whatever is in there. No need to get dirt in your engine. I got something that can reach, so I'll get that. Funnel. Put it in there. If you can get one that has a little bit of a flex in the portion right here to get it all in, perfect. This one I know is okay. I feel like I'm gonna shave that eventually. Okay, so obviously we're gonna put this one in the whole way because this is 5 quarts, and then skills, man, skills. And then we're going to go ahead and yeah, okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the other 2 quarts from the other one. All right, so in the beginning, this is why I said you need a bigger one, because as you can see, there's a distance here. Trying not to spill anything, but I have a big enough gap that I can do that. Perfect. All right. Also, view down there. Make sure there's no oil like coming out or spilling out. And if you feel that your funnel is like getting full, then do yourself a favor and slow down pouring. It's like a Fast and Furious Civic. Let's see if we can catch it. Every time, man. On the side, it sounded like he had uneven headers, because it had a little bit of that Subaru sound, the Subaru Boxer uneven header sound. I'm not gonna lie to you, we've all had our little body kit thing going on. I had an Accord that had a body kit on it. But I'm not ashamed of it. It was the times, man. And if you're sitting there and you think that body kits are corny and you would never get a body kit, you're probably the one person who wants a body kit. But hey, more power to them, right? All right, so 5 quarts. There's little markers on this bottle. I don't know about any other bottles, but there are on this one. And I'm gonna go down here to 3 quarts. Where it says 3, this is 3 quarts left over. Simple math. At least let's go into Sesame Street, and we should be good. And if you're a dad, I don't know, maybe you can agree with me. Comment down below. I've learned more stuff from Little Einsteins and Sesame Street than what I've ever learned at college. And yes, I went to college. So it's like in between 3 and 3, so I'm assuming that's 3 quarts. All right, close this off. All right, this funnel allows me not to spill anything, but when I pull that funnel out, that's gonna be all dripping. So use the towel first. Okay, again, hand tight. You don't need to go crazy with it. And that's it. After this, you clean up. You can leave your hood open. No need for it to close right now. This is the hardest part of the whole oil change. You might want to take notes on this, all right? You open your door, you take your key, there you go, and you turn on your car. I always like to, I like that whole thing with the filter. That's it. Oil's in there. You did your first oil change. This isn't a how-to-do video. This is just how I do it. All right, so please don't mistake this for an instructional video, because it's not. She's doing it. She's partying. She's doing everything she has to do. All right. I am a professional in my backyard. I am not a professional here. So that's a quick disclaimer. You know, do this at your own risk. But this is how I do an oil change. My method hasn't failed me since, and that's that, you know. So hopefully it continues to do good things for me, and that's it. So to end this video, we're gonna find out right now how many subscribers are on this channel. And I'm looking, dismiss, I don't want YouTube TV. I don't want to pay for that. All right, here we go, your channel. 55 subscribers. There it is. Can you see it? 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 You can't see it. Come on. Focus. All right, look, it says 55 subscribers. With 24 videos, it's gonna be 25. All right, guys, 55 subscribers. That's amazing. That's awesome. And that is honestly the best way. That's a Christmas gift from you guys. I accept that. That's awesome. I'm blessed. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I know I'm not doing much. I know that I'm not doing a whole heap of things like, you know, driving Lamborghinis and whatnot, but this is my Lamborghini for now. And you know, my wife bought me a, my wife and my in-laws, they got me like stuff for cars. My in-laws got me a Ferrari remote control car. So, hey, I'm driving a Ferrari. Now, okay, let's close the door. There. All right, you see how it says 5%? Let's zoom in. You're gonna hold down the select. Select. All right, hold it down. Be patient. All right, just be patient. Keep holding the button down. All right, it'll bam. You see that? It says oil life, reset. Go up. Click, select. There. Oil life, 100%. All right. The little warning is on. The little yellow thing is gone. We're good. I took off my mask, so this is not a mask. This is just something for the cold. And that's it. All right. So from there, close your hood, lock up. Thanks for everything. Whoa. Okay, start this again. After that, you get out of the car. You thank your subscribers. Thank 55 subscribers who have hit that subscribe button, maybe hit that like button, I don't know. And that's that. All right. Also, your oil. Well, in New York, we can actually take this to like a Pep Boys or an AutoZone, and we can dump it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use the grass, put the oil in that empty jug, and then from there, when I have a chance, I'll take it out to Pep Boys or AutoZone, and we'll get that done. All right. So guys, thank you again for so much for the 55 subscribers. I will see you soon. There's another video coming up soon. I don't know when, but it will come up soon. And that's that. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys again very soon. I don't know why the hell I want the car back. I'm probably gonna have to do it go outside of it. Dad brain.